In South Africa, we had a very strong patriarchal culture and a parliamentary system of laws that used discrimination against women. This racial and gender bias was through a blend of parliamentary supremacy, common law, and customary law. It is evident to me that even in Iran today, you have what is called parliamentary supremacy in terms of Sharia law that has laws that are against women in that society. Basic to the past constitutional structure of South Africa was a parliamentary supremacy. Parliament could make any laws on any subject it pleases, and there was not a single court of law in South Africa that could challenge those laws. Even under that exception, where there was no challenge to the parliamentary laws, still women were severely persecuted. But we as Black people never gave up hope of fighting until the end. Under customary law in South Africa, women were perpetual minors under the guardianship of their father before marriage, of their husbands upon marriage, and of their male patrilineal relative on the dissolution of the marriage or on the death of their husband. A woman could not marry without the consent of a guardian and had no contractual capacity. The same is that in Iran. If you look at the civil codes of Iran, Article 1105 to Article 1170, it indicates that women basically have no voice in Iran, they have no rights in Iran. For instance, they are not allowed to marry non-Muslims. Within the household, the husband is entrusted with the task of heading the family. A wife must live in a home which her husband chooses unless she is given the right to choose the location of her residence. In actual fact, all of these civil codes, you know them. You are Iranians, you live there, are severely against women. They are no different from the apartheid laws that existed pre-independence of South Africa in South Africa. As of to date, a number of significant apartheid legislation has been repealed since independence, since the ANC government took power. However, the ANC government realized long ago that the experience of other societies, and ours in particular, had shown that the emancipation of women could not be a product of a struggle for national liberation, socialism or democracy, or any agricultural society.